at the slime I took. So Kalil has a slime on his shirt, and I was asking Ate Allie how to remove this, so she's gonna demonstrate. Go, Ate Allie.
Okay.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Wait.
Oh,
Come on. Go, Ate.
some ice.
What do you need? What do we need? Some.
Ice. Only one ice.
Only one ice? Okay, sige. Go.
I'm going to do this.
What are you eating? Wait, I can't see.
Chocolate.
Ooh. And then, what will you do? Use a
Spoon.
sige, go.
Let's scrape it.
Scrape it. It's not cold enough pan siguro.
No, I did this by
Careful. It's his new shirt.
Don't worry. I'll be very careful.
Wait, gosh. Here it is. Ate Alice scraped it. Ano pa? Bako pa man siguro. Te, put more ice so that...
So cold, man.
Yeah, do this. Huh? Be careful, matanggal ang print siyang shirt.
What if, mommy?
Mawala ng galaga, deray. Oh. Ano ba ni Imbos? Imbos.
Is that new? Is this new?
New shirt.
I do not know. I did not see this in this book.
It still looks new because we're always at home.
Because there's COVID.
Be careful, te. Maybe, can I try it? No, wait. No, let me do it, be. Okay, kasi ma-damage niya na yung t-shirt.
Why?
Let it sit first, the ice for...
I think it will melt.
Yeah, that's it. So, just scrape it, ate.
Yes.
Thank you, Ate Ali. Let's try it. Let's do this. Let Mommy Tina do it. Let's see.
Why didn't you turn on the flash?
It's okay. Oh. I think this only works for gum, ate.
I know. I did that to my skirt.
You just add
And
there.
it worked.
Look at the ano.
It was big, baya. Bigger than that, baya.
Sige, fine. Wala, it came off.
See, I told you.
It came off. Let's put it here, be. Sama. I was gonna use warm water to remove it. But Ate Ali told me to do this, the ice instead.
No, mommy. It's, you know.
Okay.
I'm thirsty.
Oh, it came off. Whoa. Look at it. Oh, look at it, ah. See, ah. Whoa. Nice one. Oh, see? Okay.
Told you. I'm just gonna let it dry after. Take all of the slime.
Just do this now. Not more. Look at the slime I took. Okay. Thanks, Kalil. Good job, Ate Allie. Get
I did not see that on somewhere. I just did that.
that? Really?
I thought it might work, but it did. I did not put soap in just that.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, mommy.
Do na. Man. Mikit naman. Let's put another last batch. Dude. Ice.
Man, there's one more.
Here, and the number.
Yeah.
Steady. The other side. Balik pa nga. Camera. Oh, print. Careful with the print. This is fun. I'm having fun.
That's satisfying. Mommy.
Satisfying indeed. Man.
Told you it works.
Yeah, it works there. You're the best at it. Just a little more. There. I hope it doesn't damage the shirt. We will see later when I wash this.
You're not supposed to wash it manually.
You're not supposed to wash it.
Yeah.
Still stuck here. It's not.
I did not wash it. I didn't wash mine. Is that the last one? No.
Let's see.
Oh, there's more. A little.
A little more. Okay. Stay there. Okay. Okay.
You don't have a one?
The one, what one? I think you can wash it off now. So, this one, this Ta-da! It's clean now. There's some left. Some. I'll get it later. Pinch it, pinch it, pinch it, pinch it. Look at that. And here is Kalil's shirt. These are her prints, okay.